Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. How are you doing today? Can you hear me? If you can hear me, put a plus. If you can't hear me properly, put a minus. I just want to see if you can hear me and see me as well in all the chat. How are you doing today? How are you doing, Tom? How are you doing, Micheline? Dallas? Kai How? Great. Thank you very much for coming. And again, I keep seeing many people keep turning up, which is good. You're the master, you're the future people who will be doing these presentations everywhere when the opportunity will be presented. Again, guys, if you want to present this to the team, you can use the slide. Let me know. I will send you the slide. We're gonna change a little bit in a few weeks, just to add a few other statistics, other data, to make it more clear and easy for people to see. All right. So there we go. So let's start. Today again is Thursday, as usual, is our business presentation for Global Unit Pay. And many, if you are new today, and you're wondering why there is a business opportunity for Global Unit Pay, I thought for Global Unit Pay was just a payment processor. It is more than that, and it is a way you can also create an income in the future for you by the sales of cards, and there will be more other opportunity that people will be able to create an income with this system. All right, let's move to the next slide. And just quickly about myself, if you are new, my name is Martial Niyonzima. I'm one of the ambassadors in the Ambassadors Council. I'm a vice president within the Average Partner Program. I'm an entrepreneur and a speaker. That's enough about myself. Let's go to the next slide. Right. Why with this GUP, Global Unit Pay, has been created? I say this every week. I want you really to understand. If people out there ask you, why Global Unit Pay has been created, why we can partner with other third-party processor, which is easy, we can access the money quickly right now. Right, this was the problem. We tried that before. We tried that with Advanced Cash. We tried that with Perfect Money. We tried that with so many other third-party providers. But the problem was some funds were frozen. And sometimes, even though it might not be communicated, some funds are taking longer to be released, and the company has to take money out of their pocket to pay up people while the funds are stuck there. Or sometimes people, believe it or not, there are some people within our community who maybe these are not the people who are actually co-owners. These are just the people who come just to destabilize stuff, but they come and they purchase a product and they call their bank and to cancel, or they call those third-party providers that they have not received the product they have bought, but the company has already given them the product and they received and they reclaim their money back. So these are the issues that have been happening with so many times, and it went into millions, and some of the money were held because when a company complain, when people complain, this company frees the money, etc., etc. For some of you probably have an experience with PayPal. I know some people have requested us, why don't we partner with PayPal? PayPal is quick, it's everywhere. But look, guys, it might be quick right now for a few months, etc. But once they freeze the account, the business won't be able to pay out anything because they will freeze that money. So that's why we try to avoid this third party. This was a lot of pain that the company has been going through. So Global Unit Pay was created to provide a solution within the global portfolio ecosystem, within so that we can have a platform, a payment processor, which is going to be in future, hopefully a bank, and to create a payment services, banking services, and all the other come with financial traditional market for our community or other companies not in our ecosystem, right? So the pros of having your own, a company that you can rely on, which you know they're not going to freeze your account, so you can control. Our partners will be able to control their own funds, right? So they will be able to store assets safely. The fees will reduce over time. Okay, it will be easy for businesses to have access and quick access to their cash, right? Because we don't have this policy of holding some other people business monies to ransom because somebody has complained and we don't do investigation. This we'll be able to do proper investigation and not hold the people other business people money for no reason, right? So, and the good idea is that our account cannot be suspended because it's one of our partner. Global UniPay is a partner for so many companies within our ecosystem and with other companies outside as well, right? And this Global UniPay has a policy which covers digital items, hence why the platform was built on blockchain. It was built on a blockchain to take all of these digital assets into consideration as well. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Yes, don't worry, guys. If you, Edmund and whoever won the slide, if you know an ambassador from you, whatever you are, or if you have my Facebook, just let me know. I'll be able to share. As long as you are the person who's been attending these webinars, because I know some of you, I can see the names already who are coming regularly, and those are the people who are going to get the slide, because I know you've been listening to the presentation and I know you know how to present it, etc., etc. Okay, so I'm not gonna give it to just anybody. I know the people who've been coming to these webinars. If not, you can ask your ambassador, and then I will be able to share this slide with the ambassador that they can share with you. Okay, brilliant. So why KYC? Because some people are asking, why do we have to do KYC? Why do we have to go through KYC? Why our KYC in the back office in Everreach is so easy, and then this Global UniPay is so difficult, tough. This is a completely different, guys. Okay, because Everreach is not aspiring to be a bank, okay? Global UniPay is aspiring to be a bank. And when you're trying to go into the traditional market financial systems, you have to abide by the rules they have set, especially with the KYC, KYB, or AML rules, okay? So you cannot walk around it. It is a must have, okay? So, and because we are also fully regulated in Switzerland, jurisdiction, so we have to also abide by these rules. So what is KYC? KYC is a simple way to check that the person who coming to our system is who they say they are. They don't have any other criminal relation or any activity, because if we don't do this kind of stuff, the bank will see us, or the financial system will see us as we're facilitating crimes or money laundering, etc. And we don't want to be associated with that. And if you are a co-owner of the global portfolio, you should care also, because it is yours also. You own part of it. So don't get upset if you get rejected or anything like that. Try to find a way to provide the clear documentation, because these people, the outside, the Global Pass is an outside company which was tasked to do this. So we don't have no influence. They have their license. They have to protect. So we cannot really influence. If they say this, we can't pass this person, there is not much we can do unless you provide them what they want you to provide. Okay. If they ask you for passport, you have to do your best to find the passport. Okay. Because if you go to Switzerland or any other country and they ask you, you need to bring a passport in order to have a bank account, you have to bring a passport. Otherwise, you don't have a bank account. It's as simple as that. But the good thing the company, we are continue to work in the background. There are so many people working in the background to try to find another solution for those people who, for whatever reason, they won't be able to verify their account and have access. But recently, they have made it easy that you can have up to 1,000 euros per year. So I know it's a small amount. For the person, you don't have to go through all this KYC. But if you want to have a bigger amount of access and you want to have unlimited access to the platform, you have to go through this KYC. Okay, this is a simple rule. Let's move to the next slide, please. Right now, what are kind of operations that are available within to clients with this global UniPay system? The GUP payment system is an advanced blockchain. I know, and this is the beauty of it, because from the front end, a customer don't see that they are interacting with the blockchain. But if you really pay attention, and then you start to, if you make a payment, you add the top up, for example, you will see that it's taking you to a blockchain payment system, right, in the background. Okay, and there is like a stable coin which is converted to your money straight away. Also, this will help with volatility of the money as well. Okay, so you have a really advanced blockchain platform system. This is the platform of the future. Now, you might see these few glitches, these few problems. This is normal because this is a brand new, from scratch, we are creating, okay, to serve the community, to serve the ecosystem, company and ecosystem, and the companies from outside. So what can you do with this? You will be able to have access to fiat currency, instant incoming and outgoing transfer. You will be able to exchange currency, those currency again. In the future, there will be more currency that will be added, okay? You will be able to have cryptocurrencies as well. You have an exchange of crypto within this platform. Now, I know many of you have not been paying attention probably to this, but this is a major thing. There is no many platforms, there's no many blockchain or any other exchanges that give you the ability to have fiat currency and crypto within the same system. There are no many out there, okay? There are even some of the companies that have been around for a while, you don't have these facilities, okay? Now, the reason why this KYC, you have to be enforced, not only that we are regulated, but because also we're dealing with fiat. Anytime you're dealing with fiat currency, you have to abide by this rule, okay? All right. So, and also you will be able to have over-the-counter assets such as gold, silver, or the precious metals. You will be able to pack the money against inflation, right? You know, I keep telling people the inflation is really a silent killer. It's a silent killer to your pocket, to your financial, situation, because if you have the money in the bank as the fiat currency, the inflation will eat it out of it, and your purchasing power will be less and less and less, and you will be wondering, you will be thinking that, is the economy or whatever things are getting expensive. No, it's just your money that is being devalued every single day. Okay, so now what are the best way to really combat this inflation? By precious metals or by crypto. Even though the crypto is volatile, if in the long run, it's actually fight inflation better. Okay, so this is what kind of operation you can do, you can have, and you saw that the platform has improved. Eden yesterday was presenting the inside of our back office, the change, how you can use some button or operation, etc. So that is amazing. Keep following every Wednesday, because that will help you also to help your clients in the future how they can use the system. Okay, let's look at the next slide, please. All right, what do you get in terms of processability? You get a free back office, 24 hours accessible. Unlike the traditional banks, some of the banks you don't have they don't work on the weekend. Okay, you can have access to this system 24/7. You have a free back office. You don't have to pay a monthly subscription to get access to this platform. Some of the payment processors, they ask you to pay some kind of fees on a monthly basis to have these privileges. So you have free back office. You can acquire. He says bank acquiring. It's like you can have an IBAN. You can acquire a bank account in Liechtenstein, and I think in Lithuania, and more countries will be coming on board where you will be able to open a bank account there, right? And you can do a SEPA transfer. These are an agreement that has been done between European banks in order to settle the payments easily and quicker. Okay, you'll be able to have a swift international transfer. You can deposit, you can withdraw the funds. You can have like a fiat currencies exchange between USD, Euro, Swiss franc, but you will also have option in the future to have more currency to come. You can have access to cryptocurrencies, BTC, ETH, USDT, USDC, and there will be more currency coming on board in the future, very soon, hopefully. Again, this is it's been delayed a little bit, but this is because of the MasterCard at the other end, and there's not much we can do about it. There are some checks have to be done, etc. But once this card will be launched, you'll be able to have a MasterCard, a prepaid physical MasterCard, not just a virtual MasterCard. And with the virtual cards, there has been some limitations, but with this physical, you will be able to go anywhere, online or offline, to use this card to shop and to spend your money as you wish. Okay. In terms of security, you have also is running 24/7. We have an international legal compliance team, which and also with the Global Global Pass, which help the company to prevent the money laundering or financing against terrorism, etc. Within this payment processor. That's why they do the KYC, AML, etc., etc. Right? And the third is the comfort. Okay, the comfort of any business or customer. Now, for any business model, whether it's business to business or business to customers or customer to customers as well, so you can have this platform to have access this platform for free and 24/7. High speed of transactions. If you do any exchange, like converting, is really fast. Now there are some delay when it comes to to crypto withdraw, etc. But sometimes it could be due to the network of BTC or Ethereum, how heavy it is. But these are being improved. Another thing I'm really excited about is we're going to have a mobile app, right? We're going to have a mobile app. You will be able to have your global GUP app on iOS and Android, and you'll be able to do this transaction on mobile app. Now, the future is mobile, right? It's mobile, so the younger generation coming up, if you ask them to have to go on a website and they won't do it unless you have an app. So this is also is going to be there available. We have also an international team ready to support you every single time, 24/7. Now, I know what you think. The customer support hasn't replied to me for, I don't know, for 2 days, etc. This is just the beginning. There's going to be some thieving problem, guys, but bear with us. It's going to get better and better and better in future. All right. So let's look at the next slide. Now, this is the picture that is going to change a little bit. We're going to update this page in the future to make it clear so that everybody knows what kind of fees that will be incurred in terms of the card. Now, these fees are not the fees for accessing the platform. These are the fees that will come with the cards. If you have the cards, these are the different fees, and we're gonna have 4 types. You got virtual, blue card, gold card, and a platinum. And you can see the benefit. But in future few weeks' time, we'll be able to change these to give you a clearer so you know the difference between those cards, so you can make a decision once the cards become available. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Now, remember at the beginning I told you that this platform is not just a payment processor. It's not just okay, it's going to be a bank. How many banks or how many payment processors out there that provide you an opportunity to earn an income? Not just earn an income one way, but it will provide you an opportunity as a co-owner of the global portfolio. Because you are a co-owner of the global portfolio, it will provide you a second income of this as a dividend. Okay, I'm going to share with you just an example, an illustrated example of a potential dividend that can be distributed to all the co-owners of the global portfolio. And later on, after this, I'll be sharing with you a way you can earn a second type of income of promoting these cards through the network, so you can earn an active income. There's not many payment processors that allow you this. If there are some payment processors that allow you this, they only allow you to the first layer. So they don't allow you a high level of earning or overriding income you can earn. We are one of the first who can allow you this opportunity. Because if you look at Wirex or Binance or whatever, it's all the first layer. And you earn peanuts. But with this one, you will be able to see how much you can tap into by just sharing the value of having these cards. Okay, but let's cover quickly of the potential income in terms of dividend that can be paid out. Let's imagine, because the company will have applied to have the OCT license, which is Original Credit Transaction, and this is a license which will be given, so companies or people will be able to transfer money to any card. You'll be able to transfer money to any card around the world easily. Okay, now I know some people have been asking me, can we transfer the money from virtual card to any card? You cannot do that at the moment, but this is going to come in future once we have this license in place. Okay, so let's imagine there are 1 million users. And these million users, they just top up for their personal expenses, their household expenses, just $1,000, okay, every single month, right? If we get this it could be a turnover of 1 billion every single month coming through the system. And this is just the basic, guys, because if you look at the amount of people who are in Wirex or Binance or all the other payment processors, it's huge. Okay, and we already have a community in place already, apart from outside people, right? If only this company, Global UniPay, just earn 1% of that turnover, this can generate a $10 million every single month for the company income, profit, right? Now, out of this amount, there will be a percentage which will be paid to the global portfolio, because Global UniPay is part of the global portfolio. Okay, so and this, if you look how much money that has been paid over time for the royalty bonuses program, etc., this is low. It's a lot more. This is about 10 times more, and it's going to go even more and more the more income. And guys, the payment processor has been generating a good turnover. Okay, this is one of our company that is actually getting some volume and is attracting some people from outside as well. Okay, so this is one type of income. Now let me show you. Let's go to the next slide. Let me show you a way you can earn an active, not a passive income, an active income, because it's an active because you're gonna have to do something. Okay, the first one is a passive. If you are a co-owner of global portfolio, in the global portfolio, that is passive. Okay, but if you want to earn more, okay, is there anybody here who want to earn more of what they earn today? Is there anybody? If you were one of those people, okay, Annette is asking the dividend to whom? Dividends will be, a portion of the dividend will be paid to the global as one of the global portfolio. And in a global portfolio, you get a percentage from that for each company as a part of the turnover, as a part of the profit, which is paid to the co-owners. That's what I mean. Okay, it's not like global UniPay will pay dividends directly to people. No, the income from global UniPay, there will be a percentage as it is a part of the global portfolio, which will be paid to the global portfolio pool, and out of that, people will get paid dividends. You understand, Annette? Okay, good. So who here would like to earn an extra income for more what they are talking about, what they are earning right now? If you want to know more, right? This is because I'm all about free speech. Okay, if you don't want to know about any income, any extra income, you can be happy with what I presented earlier, and you can exit the webinar. And thank you very much for coming. But if you are one other person who wants to earn more, who want to earn how to earn more by being active, by supporting the global portfolio, by supporting the global UniPay, as a co-owner, you can stay, and I'm going to share with you how you can earn. And this is going to be an easy tool, really. And I'm going to explain to you why it's going to be an easy tool, right? Okay, I can see it has the cool. Right, okay, so let's go to the next slide. I can see everybody's interested. Brilliant. Now, the reason why, remember I was telling you, some other payment processor, they only pay you one layer, those ones who allow referral. As we're going to attach a compensational plan, a remuneration plan but many people in our community already know, we're going to attach the remuneration plan of one of our partner program, which is Average. And Average, you know, the compensation of our Average, for those of you who are active, who knows about it, is to infinity level. Okay, not one layer. You'll be able to earn to infinity level for the sales of card. Now, I just want you to imagine the possibility when you sell it. This is one instrument. Okay, you will be able to share with your network, with the existing network, okay, and to earn an income on it as well. And then you know that people will be buying these cards because they also need it, but it's like a must-have because everybody needs a way to cash out their money. Everybody needs a way to spend their money. And this is a tool that will help you to spend your money anywhere you are, right? Anywhere you are. So let's have a look at this. Let's consider, I just give you the basic. Again, after you can do your own calculation. It's very easy to do. You just put an Excel spreadsheet, the numbers, okay? You can look at the compensation plan. If you're aiming to be a vice president, if you're aiming to be a top manager, look at the potential income you will be able to have if you promote the sales of the platinum card, for example, the 500. Because if you look at the opportunity the platinum card will provide you, if you are someone who wants to earn more, right, then that will be the card because we give you unlimited possibility. Okay, let's just say, for example, you have this to qualify as an agent. You get the 2 people, they buy the metal card, and then they get the other 2 people also. Okay, because the compensation plan has changed a little bit. Each partner you get, they have to get a client, each one. They have to get at least each one. Okay. Yeah, so in your structure, you won't have to like recruit. I mean, it'll be good if you recruit new people, but with your current structure, the system will automatically capture that structure you have, and anyone who's buying the card in your structure, you will receive the commission. It's amazing. That's why I love about this company, because they don't complicate things. They don't try to make you join another link, different links. So it will be all intertwined. It will be all combined. Okay, you won't need. You remember, like when we launched the Crypto Unit program, for all the people who have left, you know, they continued to the previous company we were supporting. You know, they were capped again because they started to see more money than they received in the past, right? And they didn't do nothing, and themselves didn't even promote it. But this company is so generous that you won't have to build. You already built, you already done the work once. You don't have a monthly volume you have to meet every single day. People don't appreciate how easy it is with this compensation plan. Because you build once, you do the work once, and you can get paid over and over again. The more company bring new products and people like it, they purchase it, you get paid again. Just tell me many business who does this. And this is another opportunity you will get also with this the sales of the card. Global UniPay is a new solution that has been added, right, to the family, and it creates an income earning possibility. And then if you have a team, you're gonna continue to build new ones, but in this existing team buying this card, you will earn an income. Okay. Now, why did I say that it is easy to sell? It will be easy to sell this card. If you have that card yourself, the only thing you have to do is just go to the shops. Or last time I was somewhere and I was using my balance card to purchase something, and somebody just told me, I have this card. I have this card myself, and they were asking me, you know about crypto. So that person just asked me from nowhere. So with this card, you will just go to the bank, to the bar, to the restaurant. Our cards are unique, guys. Okay, they are colorful, they are metal, they are unique. You have not seen these cards somewhere. They're not this plastic. They are metal cards, right? You will be able to go. They are unique looking. The style is amazing, and when you swipe that card, people will be asking you, what type of card is that? And then it will give you the opportunity to tell your story, right? It will be giving you the opportunity to say, oh, by the way, you can also have this card if you want. Do you understand? So this will be a really easy tool to sell. People will be coming to you. You know how amazing it is when people coming to you, they ask you a question. All right? So this is why it's important to start to understand the power of this opportunity you have. So, and then you can get your card ready, because once you get the card, you have to be a product of your own product yourself. Okay? Once you get the card, you flash it out, you show it with pride, right? And people will be asking you, what is this type of card? And you can tell them, by the way, you can have this card, but you know what is better? You can also earn money with this card. And you can tell the story, okay? But there are some things that's been thought in the background as well, which will come as like a reward of having the cards as well. Not just you can use it for your own benefit, etc., but there will be some kind of reward if you spend the money. And this is something that is being talked about in future. Once it's all finalized, you will be able to know about that. Okay, now let's go to the nitty-gritty of what is possible if you are active. I'll just give you a quick hint on how easy it will be to sell it. Okay, for example, let's go to the next slide. Most of you know this structure, but let's just say an income, just an agent, just earning as a normal qualification. This is the amount of money that you will get. But the most I'm excited about is the consultant level, right? Why is the consultant level? The consultant level is a rank which I always say to people, once you reach it, is a life-changing rank. Because once you get it, you know what the opportunity you get? You get an opportunity to earn at unlimited level. Yes, that's right, Annette. It's a core rank. You start to get an opportunity to earn an unlimited level earning potential. Now, once you start to understand that is very powerful. It's really very powerful. Okay, but let's go to the next slide. Until the 31st of August, until the end of August, we have this promotion that is still active today, right? Which is 5x5 promotion. Okay, and this is a scenario I did with 5x5 promotion. Okay, fingers crossed. The cards will be out before this promotion ends, because this will be an exciting promotion for people, not only to earn not only those bonuses, incentives that are in place, but to also earn a big amount of income within your structure. And then I kept it as consultant, but if you build to this level, you will move to the career rank that higher than a consultant. And the beauty of our system is the system promotes you. Okay, it's not the CEO that promotes you, it's not Annette that promotes you, it's not Marshall that promotes you, it's not Mila that promotes you, it's not Armand that promotes you, it's not anybody that promotes you. The system promotes you. As long as you meet the requirements, the system promotes you. That's the beauty of it. You could be sleeping at night, Pampa rank is advanced, and if anybody pay the card, they bought the card, you will earn the commission based on that rank that you just hit. Okay? Now let's go to the next. Let me show you, as a consultant, the potential income you can earn, right? And I left it just as a consultant commission percentages. But when you build this structure like this way, it will be easy. You know why this will be easy? This will be a necessity tool card. Everybody, they want a way to spend money with their crypto. Do you know that? Yeah, many people. And the more time crypto is coming into the eyes of the public, the more everybody will be looking how they can cash crypto, because there's so many people who still don't understand, who still think that crypto is just thin air money, right? They don't think it's a real money because they don't see a way you have to spend it. But our card, we also provide you an opportunity, because you can top up with crypto, Global UniPay, and then you can top up that money to the card. So you will be able to spend your crypto also, okay? Right? So, which means you will be able to tell people outside, by the way, if you know about crypto, like this person who asked me about the Binance card. Once I get this card, I will say, by the way, we've got another card here. It's amazing. And I will show them the color. I will show them how sexy it is. Okay? And then I will tell them, by the way, you know that you can also earn money with this card. And that's how it's going to be easy with these cards, guys, to build your team. Okay? Because it will be a tool that people need and want to have. Not only that they can use it with us, they can use it outside also. Because the fact that you'll be able to top crypto, because you can have income in crypto into our platform, and then they can spend it. All right? Have a look at the percentage. If you do this 5 by 5, and this money is a commission. I haven't talked about the bonuses you're gonna earn if you build this within this express promotion, right? With this express promotion, these are just commission, not express promotion bonuses. If the reason why I did not add the express promotion bonuses, I did not want to scare people of the money that they can see on a screen, because the amount, I did the numbers, the amount is crazy. And that's why I will ask you to do it as a sketch for yourself. Look at the team you have and try to do a sketch, because once you put on a paper, sometimes when you put on a paper, you visualize it. It will become a reality, guys. It will become a reality. So start to visualize this. Start to write, put their names. This person will purchase 500 euros cards. Put their names. The universe will give it to you, right? And once you understand this, you will start to get it. Okay, let's have a look as a consultant. With consultant percentage, but you probably likely to be a vice president by then if you build like this. Okay, and you will be receiving more money than that. Let's have a look. So this 219,125 just by sale of the cards. If you sell $500, 500 euros worth of each card. Okay, the metal card, the platinum card. Who would like to get this at the end of this year, right? 219,000. Who would like to grab it? And by recommending the tool that everybody need, everybody want, they're looking for it, I know already, even today, many people who have crypto, but they don't know how to spend it. They don't have a way to spend it. And then we will be providing a solution for this, right? We'll be providing a solution for this. And our cards will be way more, right? If you know what's coming, and I know, keep attending this webinar, because one of the hints on the news will be dropped in one of these webinars before everybody else know it. Okay, but there are some exciting things that's gonna come with these cards. And when you launch, get ready, guys. Get ready to grab this card and get ready to share this card, because everybody will want it. And everybody will thank you for it, because they are spending the money they want to spend, but at the moment they don't know how to. They don't have a way to. And we'll be providing a solution. We are the solution bringers. We are not salespeople. You will be providing solution to their needs. All right? Who is excited? I know I say this every week, guys, okay? But you should get excited with this, because this is a game changer. It's going to be a game changer, okay? Because once you have this card, and the beauty of it, you know, our CEO have stated that some of the people worldwide, okay, it doesn't matter where you live, you will be able, if you can't have your card because where you live, because the MasterCard, the Visa card, they said they can't ship those cards. People will be able to purchase. Really, I was surprised at the price, because I have a virtual address that I pay every single month, and it's a lot more than that just to have a virtual address somewhere else for my business. But I was surprised the PO box he was saying the price people will just pay per year is really small. To have an address in Europe and a European country, if you are somebody in India or in Africa or in America, South America, those countries who have been restricted by this European banking system or the financial system, you will be able to have that virtual address, and your card can be delivered, or it will be virtual to you, but it will be a physical address. Those cards will be delivered to you. From there, it will be shipped to where you are, from Europe to where you are. MasterCard or Visa don't want to do it, but once you have in this place, this warehouse, you'll be able to deliver to wherever you are, and you can share this with everybody, guys. We have 7-point-something billion people in the world, and some people, they're just waking up to crypto. And by the time they start to wake up properly, they will get into crypto, but they won't know how to cash out. They won't know how to spend it. And our card, it will be one of the way they can cash out worldwide. Worldwide. This is amazing. It's going to be amazing. Yeah, Australia too. But Australia is already a big economy. I think they can deliver to Australia, I'm sure. But there are some countries which are restricted by this banking giant, which I don't understand why. But the CEO has already thought of a solution, which is amazing. So I know it at this time it is hard. You know, we would prefer things to go faster, but we are battling against giants. Okay, and it's not easy when you are battling against these giants. Okay. It might seem like we are trying to avoid some people. We are not. We are trying to establish something solid, and from this something solid, we can be able to share with the world. We can be able to expand it. Okay, but you have to put your leg somewhere solid foundation. Okay, so just bear with the company, bear with all this struggle, this building phase. Okay. But I can tell you, with this Global UniPay, what's coming is going to be one of the brands that will be recognized worldwide, but also within our company is going to be a powerhouse, because it's going to provide an income opportunity for people as well. Okay, I hope you're excited, and I'm trying to always share my excitement so that you can see the possibility for this company, Global UniPay, and for our global portfolio in whole. Okay, let's go to the next slide. I think this is my last slide. Yes, okay. So Annette just asked a question. Yes, I can confirm. So anybody who buy the card in your structure, you will be able to earn a commission according to the average compensation plan. And it is being already being worked on to try to integrate within our back office as well. So okay. All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the presentation again today. Next week and the week after I might not be here, but Valentine will be able to share even more news as well, probably for the next 2 weeks. But I wish you well, and just keep promoting. Just started to tease, start to share with people of what's coming, so that your structure can get ready. Because I can tell you that it will be a reminder for many people. It will be a reminder of 2019 when most of the leaders here understand the power of the income they managed to earn in 2019 when the crypto unit program was launched. And this is going to be one or the other way with these sales of the card, guys. Okay? Have a blessed day, and I wish you well. Speak soon. Bye for now.